Here in Nightingale Valley. Today is 17th of July 2022. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. We're in the middle of a heat wave. So I'm going to do a quick walk through the tar barrels. We've had some really hot weather lately and the tar has started to melt. So let's have a look. Got a pokey stick with me. Sorry about that. Got a pokey stick with me so we can poke some of the melting tar, though you can actually see quite a lot of it. I don't know if you can tell, but underfoot this surface is melted tar which has gone hard and it's got this dusty crust on it, but with the hot weather it starts to melt, and this is a thing where you get this goopy melted stuff, which is pretty disgusting. Now this is the stuff which Bristol City Council says is completely solid, but it's not. It's completely melted in lots of places and it's started to flow down into the stream. There's another bit where it's going in. So just carrying on filming now. I just had a pause to talk to a couple of walkers. There's so much of this tar has gone so, and it's not the hottest part of the day. Once it gets hotter, there's going to be a lot more of the stuff, and this is a spot where you can actually see the tar there, which is flowing down actually into the stream. And this bit here that will be moving, as is that. I don't know when this flowed down, but clearly it's quite recently. The temperature's probably 22, 23 degrees, but through the course of today it's going to get quite a lot hotter. Might be as high as 30, 35 degrees. So if you are coming down Nightingale Valley, maybe don't come on the tar barrel side today.